Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the top board on your Xiaomi m365 or m365 Pro. This is a great way to upgrade your scooter if you have the standard Xiaomi, as the Pro version gives you much more information such as speed, battery life, what mode you're in and Bluetooth. It also gives you error codes, so it's a lot easier to determine what error your scooter has. The first step to replacing the screen on your Xiaomi scooter is removing these top plastic covers. And I know mine isn't a real Xiaomi, but the process is exactly the same, just apart from the connectors. But it's obvious which ones you plug them in. I'll explain more later. What you want to do first is get a prying tool and pry this top cover off. I will show you how to do that now. For the next stage, you'll need something like this, which is a pry tool. This will help you get the top cover off. First, insert near the join where the two top panels and slowly edge across. Now, if you're finding this too tricky, then use a hairdryer, gently heat it up the glue. As you can see, my top panel came off quite easily. If yours doesn't, don't worry and just be gentle and be patient. Next step is to remove these 3 screws and gently pull the board out, making sure not to yank on the cables. As you can see with the cables, there are a few main cables coming off the scooter. This one here is the main power cable down to the deck, which you can unplug. Then you have the torch cable, which is the small 2-pin. The throttle cable, which has the green wire. And finally the e-brake cable. Gently unplug and set your old screen aside. As you can see, I am using my old screen because it's not working. I am doing this video to show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to be putting my old screen back in. Locate the right connectors and gently plug back. They should plug in quite easily and you shouldn't have to force them. Once you've plugged everything in, make sure that your screen is fully working by tapping it once to turn on, cycling through the different modes of the scooter and checking those all work. Checking the light still works on the scooter and checking it powers off properly. Once you've done this, you're ready to rescrew and apply glue. Once you've done that, try and get your cables in properly. You need to make sure they're not sat on top of those 3 holes, as your board will not sit flush on the scooter. Try to curve them round and get them in the most practical way possible without damaging the board. As you can see, mine is now flush and there are no cables underneath. Double check it still works and turns off again, and you're ready to rescrew the board down and apply the top cover. Now it's time to rescrew the board into the scooter. Use the 3 small screws that you removed earlier, gently press the board down and insert the screw into the hole. I suggest starting from the bottom as this makes it slightly easier and holds it in place better. Gently screw down. Screw tight, but not too tight as you could damage the board. Make sure the board's sitting flush and rescrew the other 2 screws. Now that you've done that, it's time to reapply the top cover. In most cases, you can get away with using the glue left on the top panel. But if you're in a country like me, in Great Britain, where there's a lot of rainfall, you're going to want to apply some more glue. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but go in a pattern around the sides and gently re-glue. What you want to do is make sure the screen's flush down. There's a little clip at the top. Go from the top and press down. Go around the edges to make sure that the glue's reseated. And there you have it. Double check your scooter still turns on and functions, and you're done. You've successfully replaced the top board of your Xiaomi m365 scooter. Hope you have lots of fun with this and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe for my next video, which will be on how to replace the motherboard on Xiaomi M365 Pro. Thank you very much for the support. Hope you have a nice day.